Hi guys, in this video we're diving into a comparison between Kajabi and Teachable, two top platforms for digital course creators. We'll explore their features, pricing, ease of use, and customer support to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Now before we get started, let me give you a special offer. So usually Kajabi offers a 14-day free trial, but if you sign up through my link in the description below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead. And on top of that, you'll receive my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. And you're going to get all of that for free. So don't forget to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses. All right, so let's first take a look at what each platform offers. So Kajabi is an all-in-one platform built for entrepreneurs and small businesses who want to create, market, and sell digital products. It provides tools for building websites, running email campaigns, creating sales funnels, and hosting online courses. So with everything in one place, Kajabi eliminates the need for multiple services, making it simpler and convenient. Now, Teachable, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and course creation. It's built for educators who want an easy way to develop and sell their online courses. While it includes basic marketing tools, Teachable's strength lies in its straightforward approach to creating and delivering courses without needing technical expertise. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use these platforms. So Teachable is known for being simple and easy to navigate. It's perfect for beginners who want to set up courses quickly without needing any technical know-how. Adding content and setting up lessons is quick and simple, making it ideal for creators who want to focus on teaching instead of figuring out complex tools. Kajabi matches Teachable simplicity with a beginner-friendly interface that makes its wide range of features easy to use. The dashboard is straightforward and it comes with guided tutorials and pre-built templates, so even first-time users can set things up pretty quickly. Unlike Teachable, Kajabi includes everything that you need, like email marketing, website building, and course management, all in one place. Now this saves time, removes the hassle of using multiple tools, and it makes the overall experience smoother. When choosing a platform, features matter a lot. So let's break down Kajabi and Teachable in some key areas. First of all, we have course creation and content delivery. Kajabi gives you plenty of options with its product blueprints like mini courses, full courses, memberships, and communities. It's flexible enough to help creators build different types of digital products for their audience. You can use videos, audio, and add text, and there's a lot of room to customize your course design. One standout feature is that Kajabi lets you create subcategories within courses, which makes it easier to organize large amounts of content. Teachable provides a straightforward course builder that supports various content formats per lecture, such as video, audio, and PDFs. While it allows for the creation of multiple lectures and sections, it lacks the depth of customization that Kajabi has. For instance, Teachable does not support subcategories, which might limit course organization for more extensive content. Next, let's take a look at the sales and marketing tools. So Kajabi excels in sales and marketing features. It includes built-in email marketing, customizable landing pages, and sales funnel creation tools. Kajabi's platform enables users to automate marketing campaigns, track customer behavior, and optimize sales strategies. This all-in-one approach means that you won't have to rely on extra marketing tools, making your workflow smoother and helping you save money. Teachable offers basic sales and marketing tools, including customizable sales pages and the ability to create coupons and promotions. However, it lacks advanced features like built-in email marketing and comprehensive sales funnels. You might need to use extra tools to match the marketing features that Kajabi already has built in. Now let's compare website building and customization. So Kajabi has a powerful website builder with professional templates that make it easy to create functional websites. You can add blogs and customize themes to match your brand, helping you build a consistent online presence. Plus, Kajabi's designs are mobile friendly, and it even offers a mobile app for better accessibility for you and your audience. On the other hand, Teachable offers basic website customization with limited templates. Now, while it allows for some degree of personalization, it doesn't match the extensive customization options available in Kajabi. Teachable also lacks a built-in blogging feature, which might be a drawback for creators looking to integrate content marketing into their strategy. Now, pricing is always a major factor when considering any platform. Both Kajabi and Teachable offer multiple pricing plans, so let's break them down. Kajabi offers 4 pricing options, each designed for different needs. The Kickstart plan is $69 a month and is great for beginners. It gives you just what you need to start, like one product, one website, and space for up to 250 contacts. The basic plan costs $149 a month and works well for small businesses. It gives extra features to help your business grow. The growth plan is $199 a month and perfect for businesses that want to grow. It lets you manage up to 15 products, handle 25,000 contacts, and use unlimited marketing tools. The Pro plan is $399 a month and is designed for big businesses. It supports up to 100 products, 100,000 contacts, and 3 websites, making it great for advanced needs. Kajabi doesn't charge transaction fees, so you get to keep all of the money that you make. On the other hand, Teachable offers 5 plans. The free plan lets you test things out without any upfront cost. However, there is a $1 plus 10% transaction fee for each sale. It includes 1 published product per type, no code builder, and 1 admin seat. The basic plan costs $59 a month. It adds features like integrated email marketing, custom domains, and live group coaching. However, there's still a 5% transaction fee on sales. The Pro plan costs $159 a month. It does not have any transaction fees and includes features like affiliate marketing, live chat support, and the option to create unlimited membership tiers. The Pro Plus plan costs $249 a month and is ideal for fast-growing businesses. It supports up to 200 courses, coaching products, and product bundles along with custom user roles. Teachable also offers an enterprise plan with custom pricing for larger businesses. It includes migration assistance, a dedicated success manager, and white glove onboarding. Now, Kajabi is a great value for creators who want everything in one place. While it may cost more upfront, it covers course creation, website building, email marketing, and more. Now, this not only saves money, but it also simplifies managing your business. Teachable provides more affordable options for beginners with its free and basic plans, but it charges transaction fees on those tiers. Now, while it's user-friendly for course creation, it lacks the robust all-in-one capabilities that Kajabi provides. If you're looking for a complete solution to build, market, and grow your business, then Kajabi might be the better investment in the long run. Lastly, let's discuss customer support and community. So Kajabi offers 24/7 live chat and email support for all of its plans. It also has a comprehensive knowledge base with tutorials, guides, and facts. Additionally, Kajabi has a thriving community of users who share tips and best practices in their private Facebook group. Teachable offers email support for all plans, but adds live chat on the Pro plan and above. It also provides a knowledge base with helpful resources. Teachable hosts regular webinars and offers access to its private Facebook group for additional support and networking opportunities. And that's it for this comparison. I hope it helped you figure out which platform works best for you. Kajabi and Teachable both have their strengths, but I personally feel Kajabi's all-in-one approach makes it a fantastic choice for creators. If you sign up for Kajabi using my link, you'll get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the regular 14 days. Plus, I'm including my Kajabi Jumpstart course for free and premium Notion templates worth over $900 to help you get started right away. Just click the link in the description to grab your free trial and bonuses now. If you have any questions or you have any thoughts, be sure to drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.